Hello and welcome to another Top Table video. You're joined by me, Jay, and apologies we've not been around for a while. It's been a little bit hectic. Some of it's real life, some of it is things we are so close to being able to talk about, which are next level for what we do, and we can't wait to show you. Some of you out there know, do keep it a secret. We've got a lot of people involved. But here I am. It's been a crazy couple of months, but I really want to make sure I'm getting videos in front of you guys again. So this past weekend has just been Salute. So what I've done is, one thing I love making is hobby vlogs and stuff. I've been hobby crazy lately. So in this first video, maybe the first couple, I'm going to show you what I've got recently, what I'm about to work on, and what I've done before we roll into the progress stuff. So this past weekend was Salute. Gave me a chance to catch up with a lot of friends. It was great to see you there. And it gave me a chance to pick up some new toys. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you what I managed to pick up and what you're likely to see soon. I won't be unboxing and going into too much detail. They're going to be separate videos, but you're going to get a bit of a hint at what I'm excited about and what I get to play soon for you all. So we're going to switch the camera around and I'll give you guys a look. Okay guys, here we go. So here is the first of what I wanted to show you today. And this is a game I've been looking at for a long time, and I had the pleasure of meeting some of the War Cradle guys this weekend at Salute. And this is Wild West Exodus. This is a game I am super excited to play, and TTJay Productions and a good group of friends of mine are all getting stuck in, so I figured why not. And the guys at War Cradle have actually hooked me up with this stuff, which is awesome. So you guys are going to see plenty of this content coming soon, I hope. So what they've managed to give me is I've got this, which is the Viridian Clade Posse set, which is kind of your starter set, and that comes with 6 miniatures. I'm not going to go into too much detail. I'm just showing you some of the stuff that's coming right now. You're going to see a separate unboxing on this starter set. I believe the quality is superb. I cannot wait to dive into that one. So that is the starter set. And I've got 2 boxes of these bad boys, which are the Grey Pulse and Drain Myriads. These are your foot troops. These are what actually sold me on the army. They just look like the dudes from XCOM, and that is awesome. And then we've got a Magenta Alpha, which is another character. And we've got Legendary Viridian Alpha, which is an alternate boss. So I am dying to get these together. I've got a rather cool paint scheme in mind for these actually, so I can't wait to get these together. And you'll be seeing them in future vlogs going forward. So that is my Wild West Exodus. Next up is a game I am super excited about, and I think a lot of you guys who I know watch the channel are also either just received their Kickstarters for or are interested in, and that is the Drowned Earth Miniatures game. And big shout out to my buddy James, because this was his dream and he made it come to life, and it's fantastic seeing a friend of mine get his game on the table. So this was a Kickstarter last year, which is now just literally fulfilling, so people are starting to receive their pledges, as did I. I picked mine up at Salute. I've already got the first 2 war bands. James did hook me up with some pre-production last year, God love him. And these are the 2 I really want, which are the Militia and the Bondsman. So the Militia are in here. I could not resist unboxing these, so I've stuck them all in a baggie just to have a look at. And then we've got the Bondsman. I mean, you can see, just look, there's a big angry ape. Who wouldn't love that? The models are just so fun. The packaging's wicked as well. All the art is very beautiful, and you guys are going to see me unbox these and put them together. And Stevie's actually working on a table for these bad boys right now, so you guys will be seeing plenty of Drowned Earth content soon. And I also managed to get a copy of the rulebook, which is absolutely beautiful. Those of you who know me know I'm an absolute rulebook fiend. I may even get him to sign it just for fun. And it's a full colour A4 rulebook, absolutely beautiful artwork throughout. It's got a full how to play section, advanced rules, all the usual bits and bobs. It's got a ton of fluff. Fun story, we actually role played the world about 18 months ago, a group of us, via Skype, and that was how he kind of tested the world and built it out. So that was fun to be a part of. So there is an absolute ton of fluff, and the bits I've read have just made me want to dive into this even more. So that is the Drowned Earth Miniatures game, and I can't wait to get these models together. They are so fun. Steve also backed this, so between us we've got a butt ton of models, and he is working on is bored right now, so expect to see some Drowned Earth content soon. And this is a perfect segue into the last thing I picked up this weekend. So last up is, of course, Art of War Studios tokens. I love these guys. Grant and Callie, you are both amazing, and I appreciate you both. And this is some of their new stuff. So the perfect segue. These are all going to be real hard to see, but I'm going to do a video where during the vlogs that I'm doing my Drowned Earth stuff, where I'll break all this out and show it you. But go and check out Art of War. They make excellent tokens. So I got these are the officially licensed tokens for Drowned Earth. So I managed to grab myself a couple of sets, which is good. So we've got like the condition and status tokens. We got the template set, which is great as well for all your spray weapons and things. And we got some like activation tokens and stuff for the Drowned Earth. And these I actually missed. These were some of the Drowned Earth dice, which James hooked me with because I love dice, which is cool. So I got some D10s as well. And then lastly, this is a brand new release from Art of War, or brand new-ish, which is token sets for Star Wars Legion. And a lot of you know I am hot on Star Wars Legion. I've just spent a couple of weeks locked away painting so much of the stuff to get some games in, because I try to always play painted, and it means it's easier for me to throw it on the table and show you guys. I'm, again, not going to unbox any of this stuff. I'm going to do those in separate videos to give you a more in-depth look at it as and when I hit the projects. So yeah, let's switch back to me, unfortunately, and we'll have a chat. Okay, that's it. So we've had a look at Wild West Exodus, we've had a look at the Drowned Earth miniatures game, and we've showed you some tokens from Art of War. All cool products, all from great companies, all excited to use. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let us know what content you want to see for those systems and what you want to see going forward, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.